Imagine waking up and the career that you done spent years building gone. That's happened to me at 52. Hi, I'm Arnice, and I'm here to help midlifers get up and going on their journeys in digital marketing. Yes, 60 days ago, I was in the manufacturing industry and I got laid off and lost my 9 to 5, which it really wasn't even no 9 to 5, because if you know, you know about the manufacturing business. You work 12s, you work 16s, you work 8s. So it's a variety of hours that you work. But anywho, um, so yes, I was devastated. I was angry, hurt at the fact that I had spent the years that I have spent, how hard I worked and was there for them to be just let go just like that. Lessons learned. But anywho, 8 months prior to me getting laid off and losing my 9 to 5, I invested in myself. I invested into myself, and that's how I ended up in this digital space by learning and developing high income digital marketing skills that's helping me build and create the type of online business that's going to help me elevate to new levels. I did not let that layoff define me. Neither was I going to let myself stay stuck. Absolutely not. And I'm here to tell you not to do the same, whatever type of life-changing event that you're going through. Bounce back. You can do that. I will be sharing 7 steps of how you can reinvent yourself from that life-changing event and setback that you done been through and experienced. Let's go. Step 1. You're going to accept change. The first step to reinvent yourself is to acknowledge the loss and grieve. Grieve. Give yourself permission to feel those emotions. I had to. And it's okay. But don't stay stuck. Don't let it keep you stuck. 2. Reflect on your passions and skills. After accepting whatever type of life changing event you done been through, like me, I took some time to reflect. You do the same thing too. It's a must. Reflection. And just think of what skills do you have that you can transfer into something new. It's important to remember that your experiences and knowledge are valuable at any age. Step 3. Set new goals. This is the time to dream big. What kind of life do you want to create for yourselves and your families? Whether it's starting a business, going back to school, or pursuing a passion project, set clear and realistic, small goals that you can reach and obtain. Small steps matters. Step 4. You're going to embrace learning and growth. At 52, I'm not afraid at this age to learn and develop something new that's going to help me build and create the type of life that I want, because skills pays the bills. Absolutely. Step 5. You're going to take action, even if it's small steps. The key to reinventing yourself is taking consistent action. Start small, build big. Create social media platforms. Find you a new adventure. Or even volunteer to gain experience. Just every little step counts. But just you taking action and not letting this setback get the best of you is going to help you keeping on forward in whatever your goals are and that you want for yourself. Step 6, surround yourself with support. You don't have to do this alone, because believe me, it's others out there, and I know it's others out there that are experiencing this because it's happening more than often. The world is not certain, not at all. And that's why I'm here to say, put something with that 9 to 5, put something with that job loss or that layoff or whatever life-changing event that you done experience or is going through right now. Protect yourselves. Protect yourselves by all costs going into this new year. Step 7. You got to be patient and kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up like it's your fault. And it's not, Feel the feel. Get through it and don't even allow yourself. Reinvention takes time and there will be setbacks. But don't be too hard on yourselves. Celebrate every little wins and trust the process. These are the steps that's helping me right now get through what I'm experiencing. And I'm okay with that because now I have time for myself to build and create my future. And so can you. If you're ready to get up and going on your journeys in digital marketing, come manifestwithourniche.com. Link down below in the description. You will not be disappointed. Skills pays the bills. Bounce back. You got this. And I'm here to help you get through this. Let's do this together in this digital space. Come manifestwithourniche.com. Link down below in the description. I look forward to helping you get up and going on your journeys in digital marketing.